Yeah.
Wow, man. You're fucking retarded.
Retarded.
Uh-oh, I think you're... Whoa, horse or something.
They see you.
Is that why they're backing up?
They wouldn't back up if they thought.
Do you do this by yourself at night?
Yeah.
Is it scary? Does it scare you?
No.
Oh my... Oh, God! No, please. Oh my God, stop, your horse. Your dog, your dog! Oh my God, let's get this over with. I'm so afraid of the dark. There's something out there. Okay,
Shoot, it's right there.
What the hell?
You just throw it. Just throw it. Don't get electrocuted.
The horse is gonna bite me. Marianne, the horse. It's not on, is it?
Yeah, it is.
No, I touched it.
Shrika, it's on.
Oh my God.
How's it not on?
I don't know, I touched it. I was saying it's in your house. My vagina's itchy.
How I locked you out?
Yeah. And she doesn't come pick you up right now. Grandma? Marianne locked me outside when I was trying to help her, and she was pretending that someone was behind me. I had to run in. You can come pick me up now. I'm inside now. She let me in. Alright, but I was really scared and I wanted to tell you. Put that away, Marianne. Alright, I love you. Okay, bye. She's mad at you.
No, she's not.
Yeah, she is.
No.
You want to sleep over? Stop it! Don't.
You want to sleep over?
You want to?
My mom won't let me.
Call her.